Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of the 2018 Rolex Submariner date. Let's get to it. So you get the box here. This actually comes with a sleeve if you get it from the AD. I think they actually ship the boxes separate now. They ship the boxes separate and then the watches kind of come in one small package. But this is the box for the Submariner date. It's kind of like an eggshell color, like a raised crown. You can kind of see there. And protective film there, and then the box itself is going to be kind of this nice like hunter green color. You can see of course it's going to have the gold crown here on top, and then the box itself, I'm going to give a flip over here, and then you're going to have some verbiage on the back about Rolex. And once you flip it back over, let's see, getting to the inside of it, you're going to have the watch itself, and the watch actually has a plastic cover over it. It used to be like a full plastic cover, but I think they just went to this kind of racetrack recently. And then you're going to have the nice tag here and the hologram on the back. It's green. The newer ones are green. They used to have a red, but they went to green a couple of years ago. And then you're going to have the tag here, which actually has the serial number on the back of it as well. And then it's kind of like a nice like leather, like suede on the inside. And then you actually have a little kind of like a pop-out pouch here in the back. And on this, you're going to have the serial number card, as well as some more information about when it was purchased. And then you're going to have kind of like a nice like back little pocket, and it's a nice leather pouch here. And then you have the Submariner and Submariner date Oyster Perpetual rundown booklet here. And then you're going to have the warranty as well, which gives you the full rundown of warranty and where to get it serviced and so on and so forth. And then now getting to the watch itself, like I said, there's a plastic cover here that kind of just pops right off. And then getting out the watch itself, you can see here it has obviously the updates that all of 2018 has. I mean, I think one of the biggest ones that you've seen in recent years is just the new ceramic bezel. I mean, it's just really high quality. You can see it just has like a really nice turn to it as well, and it's easy to turn. A lot of the nicer watches, even though they have a nice bezel, it's kind of difficult at first to turn it, then it kind of loosens up. But this one's just really fantastic. So kind of getting into the watch itself. So you can see, of course, it has the Cyclops because this is the date, and just an overall just beautiful look to it. And there it is, the watch itself. It's the Rolex Submariner date 2018.